Good evening. Thanks for joining us. More state funding could be headed to Brown County for its court system to address the backlog of cases waiting to be heard.
Today, local lawmakers from both sides of the aisle introducing a budget proposal to boost that funding, including adding 2 new judges in the next 3 years. Now, this is a story that we've covered extensively. The circuit court system is supposed to be funded by the state, but the shortfalls are covered by individual counties. Brown County officials estimate those shortfalls are costing local taxpayers $6 million per year. There aren't enough judges, assistant district attorneys, public defenders, or interpreters, leading to a high backlog of cases and, of course, those high costs. Our chief political reporter, Jason Zimmerman, covering the impact. He's live outside the Brown County Courthouse with details. Jason.
Chris's motion, which is now included in the state budget, would add 2 new judges, one in 2026 and another in 2028. It would also provide funding for 3 assistant district attorney positions and 2 new court reporters. The goal is to get the number of cases waiting to be heard dramatically reduced. For many people who dealt with the Brown County court system, the wait to have a case resolved is typically tedious. Lord Shook knows firsthand.
You'd come in for your court hearing, and just even sitting in the room would take hours and hours, or they'd have to reschedule constantly because there wasn't enough people to cover everything that they got going on.
It's an issue that now has the attention of state lawmakers on both sides of the aisle, as well as those who work in the courthouse. Many spoke out addressing the impact.
I mean, we do have a lot of cases in our backlog, and one of the ways that we could address that is to be able to spread them out to more judges. We'd have more efficiency, more ability to have jury trials.
All this is due to the lack of resources that are being allocated to Brown County, the 4th largest county in the state of Wisconsin, the 3rd largest city, and yet you can see by other counties in the state of Wisconsin, disproportionately, they are receiving more resources from the state for their court system.
One lawmaker even cited statistics, saying there's 1 judge for every 35,000 Brown County residents, compared with 1 judge for every 27,000 residents in Outagamie County, and 20,000 residents in Milwaukee County. Plus, the number of felony cases in Brown County facing a delay in being heard has gone up dramatically.
It's tough on victims, especially because they just want this all to be over with so they can move on with their lives, and they can't because it's just continuously being dragged out. It's not fair to anyone.
The funding will now be debated by the state's Joint Finance Committee. Governor Tony Evers, during a stop in Oshkosh today, said he had no comment on this proposal. Reporting live in Green Bay, Jason Zimmerman, Action 2 News.